Hi everyone! Let's learn some grammar. Let's look at the key sentence. He worked a lot yesterday. Let's break this down. Today's skill is expressing the amount of something you did. Here we have a picture. This is yesterday. The woman worked 15 hours. That's a very long time. That's a very big amount of work. So we can say, she worked a lot yesterday. We use this grammar to say what amount of an action someone does. If we want to express that someone does a large amount of an action, we can say a lot after the verb. For example, she worked a lot. If you want to express that someone only does a small amount of an action, we can say a little, a bit, or a little bit after the verb. For example, she worked a little. We can use this grammar with verbs that continue for a long time. For example, work, study, relax, dance, listen to music, play. When we use a lot with these verbs, the meaning sounds like for a long time. You can also use this grammar with verbs that increase or decrease in how much of a feeling you have. For example, love, hate, like, or want. Finally, we can also use this grammar to express a large number of things. For example, drink. When we use a lot with these verbs, the meaning sounds a lot like many. For example, I drank a lot means I drank many bottles of beer. Okay, let's have a look at the structure. We start with a subject, then we use one of our verbs. For example, he worked. After that, we use one of the key expressions. A little bit, a little, a lot. When we put it together, he worked a lot. You can add a time word if you like. He worked a lot yesterday. Let's look at some examples. I want to relax a little bit. We danced a little. She swam a lot yesterday. We talked a bit. They complained a lot. I love her a lot. Thank you very much for watching today's class. If you would like to practice the grammar, please leave an example sentence in the comments below. Also, if you learned something in today's lesson, please consider liking today's video and subscribing. Bye!